Welcome back friends. In our earlier video, we have studied introduction and classification of endocrine system. In this video, we will study in detail the structures and functions of various endocrine glands as well as the disorders of various endocrine glands. First one is pineal gland. The pineal gland is a small pea-shaped gland in the brain. It produces and regulates some hormones, including melatonin. The actual function of pineal gland is yet to be known. Melatonin is best known for the role it plays in regulating sleep pattern. Sleep patterns are also called as circadian rhythms. Hypothalamus. The role of hypothalamus in association with anterior pituitary gland. Endocrine glands are controlled by nervous system through hypothalamus that we have already studied in our previous videos. Hence, hypothalamus act as an neurohumoral junction. Hypothalamus control anterior pituitary gland which controls all other endocrine glands. Hypothalamus is connected to anterior pituitary gland through hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Hypothalamus releases all the hormones except prolactin. Instead of it, it inhibits the hormone which inhibits the synthesis of prolactin. In case of prolactin, it secretes inhibitory hormone that inhibits prolactin secretion. Hypothalamus in association with posterior pituitary gland. Hypothalamus is connected to posterior pituitary gland through hypothalamo-hypophyseal nervous tract. Hypothalamus secretes antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. These are passed to pituitary gland through hypothalamo-hypophyseal nervous tract where these hormones are stored and released when necessary. Dear students, antidiuretic hormones and oxytocin are actually released by hypothalamus. They are stored in pituitary gland and are released whenever there is necessity. What are the various hormones secreted by hypothalamus? Growth hormone releasing hormone, growth hormone inhibiting hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, prolactin releasing hormone, prolactin inhibiting hormone, luteinizing hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland lies in the hypophyseal fossa of the sphenoid bone below the hypothalamus. It is the size of a pea which weighs about 500 milligram. It consists of two main parts that originate from two different types of cells. Anterior pituitary is composed of glandular tissue and posterior pituitary is composed of nervous tissue. The hypothalamus controls the secretion of both the lobes of pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland. This is the chart comprises of the hormone released by anterior pituitary gland, its target tissues and the function it produces. The various hormones which are produced by anterior pituitary glands are growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Growth hormone act on liver and various tissues which regulates metabolism and promote the growth of various tissues. Thyroid stimulating hormone act on thyroid gland which stimulates the activity of thyroid gland and secretes the T3 and T4 hormones respectively. Adrenocorticotropic hormone act on adrenal cortex, which is present on kidney, stimulates the secretion of glucocorticoids. Prolactin hormone acts on mammary glands, which stimulates growth of breast tissue and milk production. Follicle stimulating hormone acts on ovaries in females and testes in males, which brings out the maturation of ovarian follicle and ovulation. In males, it stimulates the secretion of sperms in testes. Luteinizing hormone stimulates secretion of testosterone in males and progesterone by corpus luteum in females. So this is the overview of the various hormones released by anterior pituitary lobe of pituitary gland with their functions. Now posterior pituitary gland. Posterior pituitary gland release oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone. Oxytocin stimulates the contraction of smooth muscles of uterus during childbirth. It also stimulates myoepithelial cells in mammary glands to cause milk ejection. Antidiuretic hormone, also called as vasopressin, acts on kidney, which conserves the body water. It also decreases the water loss through perspiration. Also raises the blood pressure by constricting arterioles. The pituitary gland is also called as master gland because it releases hormones which affect the working of other glands. Also, we can say that pituitary gland secretes its own hormones as well as it secretes the hormone which stimulates the secretion of other endocrine glands. Thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is located in the neck in front of the larynx and trachea. It resembles like butterfly in shape and consists of two lobes, which you can see in diagram on either side of trachea. The normal mass of the thyroid is about 25 to 30 grams. What are the secretions and functions of thyroid gland? The thyroid gland primarily secretes thyroxine, which contains 4 atoms of iodine, and triiodothyronine, which contains 3 atoms of iodine. A few cells called parafollicular cells secretes calcitonin, which regulates calcium homeostasis. Functions of thyroid gland. It increases basal metabolic rate. It stimulates synthesis of sodium potassium ATPase. It increases body temperature. It increases use of glucose and fatty acid for ATP production. It regulates metabolism of carbohydrate, protein and fats. It also regulates development and growth of nervous tissue and bones. Parathyroid hormone. 4 small round mass of tissues partially embedded in each lobe of thyroid gland are called as parathyroid gland. Each weighs around 40 to 50 milligrams. Here you can see the 4 yellow dots embedded on thyroid gland. These 4 embedded lobes are called as parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormone and calcitonin, which regulates the blood calcium levels. When there is the decrease in blood calcium level, parathyroid hormone secretes parathyroid and it increases the blood calcium level and vice versa. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction, transmission of nerve impulse, blood clotting, and normal action of many enzymes. Thymus gland. The thymus gland is located behind the sternum between the lungs. The hormone produced by the thymus are thymosin, thymic factor, and thymopoietin, which promote the maturation of T cells. T cells are a type of white blood cells that destroys microbes and foreign substances. The T cells are involved in development of cell-mediated immunity of the body.